Hello everyone, hello everyone on the road here. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, it's cold day today. It's very cold here. I was just gonna call an auntie. It's over there is, oh look at this post. Electric post over there. And over there is a school. Welcome to my vlogs today everyone. And this is over there. There's bushes over here. This is the highway. Look. Oh, they have airplane. See airplane, guys. Oh, going to land. We're gonna put this new electric pole here on the roads. Oh, it's a traffic light. Red light is have what do you call this? Oh, what kind of light? Coming up there, the car is a four-way traffic lights. Four-way. It's very cold today. Thank you everyone for watching this live on the highway. It's a nice expensive FX4x4. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe. Welcome to my vlog today. It's a cold and a very beautiful trees right there. And the birds flying. Thank you guys for watching.